Do you want to know some of the secrets to getting a British accent?
Secrets, secrets, secrets.
Well, you need to watch this video to learn some tricks and tips to improve your British accent. And of course, at the end of the video, there'll be some exercises, so make sure you stay around until then. Let's go. Hello, my name's Chris and welcome to my channel, Instant English. The question that I get asked the most online, without a doubt, is how can I sound British? Or how can I improve my British accent? So I thought I'll give the people what they want and make a video about how to get a British accent. But first, I need to ask you a question. Do you need a British accent to speak English? Right, no you don't. It is very, very important that you don't let your desire to have a certain accent, whether that's American or British or whatever, stop you from learning English. The main reason to speak a language is to communicate. But of course there may be some logical reasons why you want to have a British accent. For example, maybe you live, work or study in Great Britain and you feel that having a British accent will help you to integrate more into society. Maybe you want to be understood clearly. Working on your accent, again whether it's British or American, can help you to be understood better and can also help you to train your ear and improve your listening skills. Or it could be that you simply find the British accent fun and you want to learn more about it. By the way, I think it's very important to point out that in Great Britain there are many accents. Today I will be teaching you my accent, which is from the south of England. If you want to learn an accent from Manchester, Liverpool, Newcastle or Scotland, then perhaps you want to find a different teacher. Anyway, let's get down to business and start with the T sound. So how do you make this sound to begin with? Let's use this word, talk. Talk. You should feel that your tongue rises to the top of your mouth, creates some pressure with the roof of your mouth, and then releases it to make the sound t. Now the T is extremely important in British English, especially when it comes between two vowels. For example, in British English, this word would be pronounced better, better. Whereas in American English, the two T's sound more like a D, like better, better. Better, British, better, American. Wow, my American accent's pretty good, isn't it? Butter, water, and city are some other examples of a T between two vowels. So if you want to sound more British, make sure you're pronouncing the T between two vowels and not like a D in American English. Now let's move on to the glottal stop. The glottal stop is very common in British English. How often a native speaker uses it depends on their accent and how fast they are speaking. You make a glottal stop by restricting or stopping the flow of air as you speak. This is more common in southern areas of England such as London. I'm sure you've heard the famous singer Adele talking. The letter T, as we discussed before, is often replaced with a glottal stop. For example, this word, water, water. If we take away the T and we restrict the flow of air, it sounds more like water, 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 water. All right, mate, can I have a bottle of water? Or you could have this word, waiting. With the glottal stop, it would sound more like waiting, waiting. What are you waiting for? Another sound that's very important in British English is R. First, let's check how to make this sound. Lift your tongue up slightly so it's hovering just above your bottom teeth and watch my lips. Red, run, rabbit. But there is a rule that you need to remember to sound more British. We only pronounce the R when there is a vowel sound after it, just like the words I said before. Yep, I know, British English is pretty stupid. Anyway, this word, for example, in British English would be world, world, whereas in American English it would be world, world. So you can hear that the R is much stronger. Another word could be this one, course. So you can see that vowel sound is quite long, course, or course. If you see a consonant sound after the R, it will be pronounced with a vowel sound instead. It could be like nurse. It could be or, like north. or it could be the vowel sound R, like the word start. A helpful technique that you could use for all these sounds or to improve your British accent could be shadowing. Basically, you listen to someone saying a word or a phrase or a sentence, and then you try to repeat and imitate the way they say it. Let's try it now. I will say a sentence, pause the video, and then you repeat and try to imitate how I say it. Try to copy my pronunciation. I would like a bottle of water, please. How is your daughter doing? Have you been to the theatre recently? Nice one, you smashed it. But please always remember there are many English accents around the world. There are loads even within the UK, and there is no perfect or correct accent. An accent is like a fingerprint. They are all unique and special in their own way. So that's everything. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you know when I'll upload another video. Bye!